Hey everybody, my name is Talman, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change player card in Valorant. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Valorant and then just right click to collection. And right here you're gonna see player cards. So you want to click on it and you can simply to whatever player card you got. Like for example, I'm going to use this Valorant Cypher card and equip card. And right as you can see that I got it. Really simple, really easy, and this is pretty much how we do it. And you can choose whatever you can have. It's up to you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.